ফাতি যাতায়াত করে। রাস্তাটা একটুখানি ডিস্টার্ব, খুবই অফরোড, গ্রাভেলস পড়ে আছে যাতে টায়ার পড়লে স্লিপ করার চান্সেস। ওটা সুবিধা, নামতে আরো বেশি চাপে, একটুখানি হালকা সামনে ব্রেক আর পেছনেরটা পুরো থাকে।
After visiting Bhimeshwari and Ganelu Falls, our next stop is Shivanasamudra, and we are on the way to it. But only after this 2.5 kilometers of off-roading stretch. So hi guys, welcome back to our channel Live Ride Travel. Those who have not yet watched our last vlog of Bhimeshwari and Ganelu Falls, I'll share the link in the description below as well as in the I button above. You can go ahead and check the mesmerizing nature views. And let's now ride to Shivanasamudra. Shivanasamudra is a waterfall on the border of Malavalli Taluk, Mandya district and Koligalli Taluk, Chamrajanagara district of the state of Karnataka. It is situated along the river Kaveri, which forms here the boundary of Chamrajanagara district and Mandya district. Shivanasamudra consists of two waterfalls, Gaganachukki and Barachukki. Though part of the same Kaveri river, the viewpoints to observe two different falls are about 15 kilometers apart. River water dropping off tall rock cliffs with lush green forests all around ensures a mesmerizing view. It is a must-visit place during or post-monsoon season for the visual treat it offers. This falls is basically around 135 kilometers drive from Bangalore and around 78 kilometers of drive from Mysore. But as we are going from Ganelu Falls, it is around 60 kilometers for us. This place is the perfect gateway from a day trip from Bangalore. Smooth road, amazing views, and some great sights. If you are really in the mood to see some splendid scenic beauty around two falls surrounded by a more breathtaking valley, making it all the way more beautiful, then we would recommend you to wait till the monsoon arrives. This place offers breathtaking sights in the peak monsoon. This place is easily approachable by car. The road is smooth and is an easy drive from Bangalore. The drive from Bangalore to Shivanasamudra via Kanakpura is a pleasant and magnificent road trip with lush green all around and fresh breezing air. A group of ancient temples are located here, and there likely was a village.
আওয়াজ পাচ্ছি
প্রচুর বেড়ে গেছে। এই দেখুন এই পোর্শনটাও পুরো একদম এই হয়ে গেছে।
ওর উপর তো ওখানে গিয়ে ওর উপর থেকে গেলে দেখা যাবে। নেমে এই যে জলের যে স্রোত কতটাই ভয়ানক সেটা দেখতে পাচ্ছ। পুরো সমুদ্রের মতন হয়ে আছে। এটা কাবেরী ওয়াটার, যেটা আমরা যেই ডাইরেকশনে গেছিলাম এই ব্যাংক বন্ধ করে দিয়েছিল, রিভার ব্যাংক, বাট এখানে ওপেন রিভার ব্যাংক, তাই আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি। এই দেখো দূর থেকে ঢেউ কিরম চলে যাচ্ছে, একদম ফ্লো করছে ওদিক অবধি। তাই জন্য জানি না শিব সমুদ্রে যাচ্ছি সেটা কি দেখা যাবে কি যাবে না। চলো তাহলে আগে যাই আমরা।
Shivanasamudra Falls is on the Kaveri River after the river has found its way through the rocks and ravines of the Deccan Plateau and drops off to form waterfalls. See how heavy the water flow in the Kaveri River is. That's why the Bhimeshwari camp was closed, because the route to Bhimeshwari camp goes via the sides of the Kaveri riverbank. And I'm sure it was overflowing like anything, that's why they have stopped it. Sri Ranganatha Swami temple located here is built in the Dravidian style of architecture. The ancient Sri Someswara temple is yet another famous temple here at Shivanasamudra. It is usually believed that a Someswara linga here has existed much before the Ranganatha idol and that the Saptarshis were performing puja and worshipping this linga. Shivanasamudra is basically a twin waterfalls and are on the banks of the river Kaveri. Originating and making its way through the tough rocks of the Deccan Plateau, this fall has truly come a hard and long way to provide us an opportunity to see and admire the beauty it flaunts. And with this, adorns the whole of Mandya district. The place may be small, but the experience you'll get here will surely be larger than life. This is Asia's first hydroelectric power station and was set up downstream of the falls in the year 1905. The power generated here was initially used in Kolar gold fields. The power station is situated near a dargah from where you can have excellent views of the other side of the Ganachukki Falls. Ganachukki is a huge horse-tail shaped waterfall dropping from a height of 90 meters and two large parallel streams that cascade down through a rocky bed from a height of over 320 feet. The currents here are quite strong and the gorge is quite deep. This waterfall has made its way in the top 45 waterfalls all over the world, and this is quite a huge achievement. The phenomenal sight is very pleasant and soothing to the eyes. This is a segment waterfall. Segmented waterfalls occur when the water flow is broken into two or more channels before dropping over a cliff, resulting in multiple side-by-side falls. A common misconception about these waterfalls is that the left segment is called Gaganachukki and the right segment is called Barachukki. In reality, the Barachukki waterfalls are a few kilometers to the southwest of the Ganachukki falls. This is due to the Kaveri river itself splitting a few kilometers to the south into western and eastern branches. The western branch results in the twin waterfalls of Gaganachukki, whereas the eastern branch results in the Barachukki waterfalls. we have to again take this off-roading stretch to connect to the highway because there were too many vehicles. There were too many people who are visiting Sivanasamudra today. That's why the traffic was completely stagnant on the bypass road. So we had to take this off-roading stretch to connect to the highway. you can see this is not the actual road. Like, locals have found a way out for these type of seasons when there are a lot of traffic on the bypass and they had to connect quickly to the highway. So yes, this is a local's way out. We stopped at a highway dhaba for our today's lunch and met this cute little cat here. So this was our today's ride to Shivanasamudra Falls. After Bhimeshwari and Ganaloo Falls, we were successfully able to witness the mesmerizing beauty of Shivanasamudra. Hopefully you have also enjoyed this video. So don't forget to like and share this with your friends so that they can also see this mesmerizing beauty. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss the next travel vlogs from us. So thank you so much for watching. Take care. Be safe. Bye-bye.